What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. Today we're gonna install a K&N cabin filter. It's a washable cabin filter. Let's do it. Perfect. Alright guys, so today we're gonna install a cabin filter. I have this one. It's a K&N washable cabin filter. Okay, I think this one is amazing. So let's open it up and see how it looks first. Okay guys, this is the cabin filter. This is reusable and washable cabin filter. Okay, so let's open it. Let me see. Let me open it here. Has a seal. All right. So has okay, right from the box, instructions. Oh yes, sticker, K&N sticker, instructions, and a label to put it so nobody will throw away the filter. This is the filter, so it's simple. You can see it. I think it's the both sides are the same, so it won't matter you put it like this or like this. All right, so let's install it on the car. Let's do it. Okay, to remove the cabin filter, we have to open this. I already removed all the things that I had there, and it has like a little strut here, so we have to remove that first. Then one clip here, another one there, and right there, you can see it right here. It's right there, very easy. Okay, so this one you just slide it. So let's see how dirty it is. It's alright, it's not that bad. Well, yeah, it's dirty. So they said you have to replace the cabin filter every year or every around 20,000 miles. So whatever you want to do first, every year or every 20,000 miles. So mine has been there for 30,000 miles, are still not that bad. All right. Okay, so to put the new one, and as you can see, the original is still as you can see, the original, it doesn't fit perfectly, okay? So it doesn't have to fit perfect. Oh, let me see. Yeah, only goes that way, one way. So it doesn't matter if it has like a gap here or there, because it won't matter, all right? So let's put the other one, this one. Remember, this one is washable. You can even put air freshener in this one. That's amazing. You can put air freshener, so it will smell good inside the car. So let's put it. Alright, as you can see, only fit one way, like this. like this. Yeah, like that. Because if you try to put it like this, well, it won't fit. Like this, it won't fit. So it has to, it only fits one way, this way. Yeah, right there. All right, you can see it right there. So it's very easy and simple. Why I got this one? Because I can reuse it and it will last longer time. That's why I got it. So let's turn on the AC and the air and see if there's any different or smell or something, right? Let's do it. I forgot about the sticker, so I think I'm gonna put it here because it doesn't fit on the cover for the glove box. I mean for the cabin filter. So I'm gonna see if I can do it with one hand. Alright, so that way if you go to the dealer, they will not throw away your cabin filter. Alright, so let's turn the AC on and see if it smells different or something. So let's put it on this one, flow. Okay, 73. Blowing everything. Wow. Yeah, so no smells, it's the same thing, and yeah, it's good. Okay guys, that's the cabin filter. Remember, it doesn't have to fit all the way. It has a gap on the side, so that's normal, okay? So if you get your cabin filter and if you see that it has gaps on the sides, that's normal. It won't affect anything because the air will flow to the middle of the filter. All right. So remember, they said you have to change it every year, and between every 15 to 25,000 miles. So I think every 30,000 miles is better. If you want to replace it every 30,000 miles, and if you are doing the regular air filter. But after this one, you can after every 30,000 miles you can wash it and use it again. That's why I got this one. I like it. So now I don't have to worry about the cabin filter. I just have to wash it, put it again. All right. The link is gonna be on the description of the video for this filter, okay? This one is the one that fits the Corolla and fits other models, but make sure first that it will fit your car, okay? Check on the model and the year of your car if it will fit this one your car, because I think they have like 4 or 5 different sizes, okay? But also I'm gonna put the regular filter. If you wanna get the regular, I'm gonna put the link on the description of the video, okay? This one is very easy to change, all right? So let me know what you guys think. Put in the comments, okay? What filter do you prefer? To get the K&N? This one was around $40, okay? So the regular filter is around $10 to $15, all right? So the link is gonna be over there. Put in the comments which one do you prefer, the regular filter or the K&N filter. Put in the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and like the video. That helps a lot, so we can make more videos. All right, thanks for watching and see you on the next video.